All right, picture this. You're ready to dip your toes into investing, maybe build a little nest egg for the future. You've heard about StashAway, this sleek, robo-advisor platform, and you're thinking, perfect. Just what I need. But then that nagging question pops into your head. Hold on, is there a minimum investment I need to shell out? That's exactly what we're tackling today. Because let's be honest, those minimums can be a real barrier, right? You don't want to commit a huge chunk of change before you're even comfortable with the whole investing thing. So, let's cut to the chase. StashAway, known for its user-friendly interface and diversified portfolios, aims to make investing accessible. And the good news is, they've designed their platform with flexibility in mind. You won't find yourself staring down a hefty minimum investment requirement. In most regions, they operate with no minimum investment. Yes, you heard that right. You can essentially start with whatever amount you feel comfortable with. Whether it's a small amount to get your feet wet or a larger sum, the choice is yours. This flexibility is a huge plus, especially for those just starting their investment journey. Now, why is this important? Well, it breaks down a major barrier to entry. Many traditional investment platforms require substantial initial deposits, making it difficult for beginners or those with limited funds to participate. StashAway's approach democratizes investing, allowing anyone, regardless of their financial situation, to start building wealth. It's also worth noting that StashAway focuses on long-term growth. They use algorithms to create diversified portfolios tailored to your risk tolerance and financial goals. This means that even with a small investment, you can benefit from professional portfolio management. Think of it like this: you're planting a seed. You don't need a huge plot of land to start. You can begin with a small pot and nurture it as it grows. Similarly, with StashAway, you can start small and gradually increase your investment as you become more confident and your financial situation improves. Of course, it's always wise to consider your own financial goals and risk tolerance before investing any money. While there's no minimum investment, it's essential to have a plan and understand the potential risks involved. Investing always carries risk, and past performance is not indicative of future results. Ultimately, StashAway's no minimum investment policy makes it a compelling option for anyone looking to start investing. It's a testament to their commitment to accessibility and empowering individuals to take control of their financial future. With said, thanks for watching, and until next time.